It's mail time! My favorite part of the episode. Me speedrunning to throw the package on my desk. What makes every video worth my time and effort. Oh, well, what's this? Another package on my desk? Lights! Camera! Action! Here we go, guys. We're unboxing this bad boy. Oh, open it the old-fashioned way. Fingering. Fingering is my favorite way to open a box. So there's no other way to open a box than to finger it. Get out of here. We got this. Oh my god, it's just. Oh, it's my 5th gen I bought. Oh, hell. Okay, guys, we have a little situation here. This thing looks disgusting. Well, I need to get some not toothpicks, cleaners for this thing. Thing looks disgusting. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna get some real quick. Hold on. I'll be right back. Back to the main event. Oh, I don't even have the top up enough. They give me these. How am I gonna do this? We're gonna go like this. We're gonna tilt it over. Ooh. If you got some. Ooh. Did we get it? No. There we go. Okay. Clean it. Oh.
Hey, little piss baby.
Welcome back to our station here. Well, we're gonna clean this bad boy up because I'm an expert cleaner. Look at this. See how disgusting that is? Look at it. Who used this iPod before? Literally, this thing is absolutely. Oh, ASMR. Ooh. I'm literally coming. Oh, look at that. People need to take care of their iPod. Ooh. This thing looks disgusting. Ooh. Oh. I think we're gonna use the other side. Okay, let's get this bad boy. Give me the yes. Hilka. Cleaning the button. ASMR. Oh, it's so loud. Ooh. Cleaning it. Ugh. Sorry, destroying. Get a new one here. Put it inside the lube. Plug it. Get some lube on it. Then go back to town. Ooh, clean it up nicely. Clean that screen too. Ooh, beautiful screen. Ooh, beautiful. Let's get this bad boy. This click wheel fixed. Let's wipe it off. Nipple wipe. Look how much better that looks. Yes, it does pass, Marcus. Look at that. It looks beautiful now. Ooh. I'm gonna go over it one more time with this for time's sake. Let's get this. So, guys, how was your day today? Hopefully, you had a great day, and hopefully, this video makes your day even greater. That's why I upload. Ooh, sounds great. Okay, I think we got it. This thing has been opened before, it looks like. It probably has. Yes, this thing's probably been opened. Look at the headphone jack. Ew. Oh, this thing wasn't even locked. Oh, why is that? Oh boy. Oh no, this thing does not lock. Ow! Literally, it does not lock anymore. Okay. I see how it is. Let's plug it in the FireWire and see what happens. See if that brings it back to life. Bring it back to life. I don't even know what the song's called. Does it turn on? Oh, it's turning on. How's the screen look? Ooh, I don't see any dead pixels. Pretty good. Pretty good. Hard drive sounds decent, not screaming. Oh god, maybe not. Oh, it's thinking about it. Any day now it will turn on. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna turn on. Wait, see if it turns off immediately, it probably has a dead battery. Yeah, the battery is shot in it. We're gonna replace the battery because that's what we do around this house. We fix pods in this household. Get rid of it. Go away, dirty toothpick. Get it out of here, dirty cotton cleaner. What do they call these things? Anyways, this thing looks real easy to open. Where's my pry tool? Where's my pry tool? This is why you can't have nice things. I literally lost my pry tool. Where is it?
You stupid.
In here. Oh, here it is. Oh, we got it. We're good. I say this thing takes less than 5 seconds to pop. Oh, there we go. Yep. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful. I hear it popping. Popping a knot. Ooh, there we go. And I think we're almost in. Oh my god. Beautiful. I feel like this thing's gonna like shoot out dust and dirt everywhere as soon as I open it. You saw how dirty it was when I first got it. Because you were here when I opened it. Because that's what loyal fans do. Hopefully I recorded the unboxing. I'm pretty sure I did. What is this? Oh boy. Ooh. What is this? It was all disconnected. Ooh. Those internals. Crunchy. Oh, why is this thing stuck down in here? Oh, God. I have a small issue here. I think the person glued it down. They glued down the hard drive. Never seen that before. That's a new one. The other thing is stuck. Oh my god. Using a pry tool to get out the hard drive. That's what we do here. Oh, that thing's not coming out. Oh, Jesus. Why we can't have nice things, people. You cannot glue down your hard drives into the chassis. Literally. Whoever did this, I'm gonna find them and just throw a close battery at them. I'm gonna try to get out this hard drive. I'll try to. We'll see if it works or not. So I'm gonna do a time. Hold on, look how disgusting those things are. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get this hard drive out. This iPod was probably the worst one I've ever opened so far. It literally was disgusting inside. It didn't smell too bad, but it looked disgusting. It looked like there was like sand in it from like the past owner. Like it looks like it got thrown into the beach, to be honest. I had to remove the bumpers on the hard drive to even try to pry it out, which you see in the video. And then the foam is stuck on the back of it, and it's really annoying. Now here's me cleaning out the foam from the back of the iPod. It was basically melted on using isopropyl alcohol and a toothpick. I'm calling it a toothpick, I don't care. But yeah, that took a while for me to get out. And here's the video of me going through the pain of removing it to share with you guys and upload to YouTube. How caring am I? You're welcome. Here's me struggling to get a toothbrush out of the packaging. Who's that hot YouTuber? Oh, he's gone. Never to be seen again. Anyways, here's me taking a toothbrush and some isopropyl alcohol and scrubbing that iPod clean. That's what I call hard work and effort. And hopefully you don't brush your teeth with that toothbrush after. But hey, I don't judge what you do, so I don't care. This is a no judgment zone. Time for philosophy with Marcus while he cleans the iPod. I don't care what you do. I don't care what you like or anything, as long as it doesn't hurt people, it doesn't break property, or as long as it isn't illegal. You're welcome for this little philosophy session. I'm here 24/7 uploading videos once a week. That girl's pretty wild now. The girl's a super freak. Super freak, the guy. Girl in magazines you read about. To replace the headphone jack and lock switch, I took a thin model's headphone and lock switch out to replace it. I know the thin and thick ones aren't the same, but it will do for now until I get my thick lock switch off of eBay. And thick battery, too. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like muffins? Yeah, we like muffins. Do like pancakes? Do you like waffles? Do you like... I don't know how the song goes. I'm just singing here. Continue watching the video. Here's a bit more of a deep cleaning I did with some of the parts of the iPod, like the hard drive, the front casing, the front housing in general. I tried to put little brackets on the iPod hard drive from a fourth gen hard drive, but that didn't work out well because the connector is different, and I tried to put it inside the iPod. You'll later see, and it didn't fit, so I had to take them out, which is really sad. Like that. There we go. Look how sad that is. But I fixed it. It turns on. We fixed Andrew's iPod. This thing is loaded, full of like. Hold on, let me go to settings. Wow, this thing is loaded full of stuff. Look at that. This thing is full. He used this thing pretty hard. Now I did fix it with the parts I had laying around. I don't have any thick headphone jack things for this, so it got a thin one. It works just fine. Look at that. Locks. Oh, hold on. There we go. Look, locks, unlocks. Beautiful. That's all we need, and it does play music. Let's see what he has on. Let's see what plays. Let's see if we love Andrew. Do we stand Andrew? Oh God. Oh God. The iPod froze. Great. Great. Oh, I don't know who that is. You guys know who it is? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching another entertaining video by me, and have a Merry Christmas.